Beautiful life. Hirap. Ganyan. Hi. Try again. Ulitin. Ay, naku. Hirap ng ano, walang alam. Kailangan matutunan. Try again, don't give up on love. Stumble and fall is the heart of it all. When you feel just try again. Try again. Welcome to my LS part 2 kasi nga ano naloka ako bigla kasi I found the love. Darling, just celebrating. Welcome to my welcome to my welcome to my house. Oh my god. Try again, don't give up on love. Stumble and fall, it's the heart of it all. When you're feeling, just try again. Thank you so much sa 1 million viewers. Sana mag-stay ka. Yay. Na try lang. Just try and try. Para sa goal. Try again. Stumble and fall. Is the heart of Tamsak dances. Thank you so much, Korean Cats Philippines. I will give you jacket. Salamat sa pagpunta sa Patamsak. Sana. Thank you so much. It's been a long journey. Sorry, sorry for you. I'm selling back with you. BG ko, I know the feeling. BG ko, I know the feeling. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I will give the jacket, Korean Cats Philippines. Salamat sa pagpunta, sis. Tamsak. Thanks so Tamsak. Guys, thank you so much. I'm nourished by music. I'm nourished by music, and he's so very legit. And hope you guys hug each other and stay connected. Thank you so much for joining me here. Love lots. It's been a long time journey. Thanks so much for joining me here. And sa gusto pong mag-join, join lang kayo. Okay. It's been so long. One week upon the dark, you guys. I need you take inside. The taste of the kisses on your kiss, and then sit in my heart when the night's over. Mm. That what time is it there? Our time here is 10:32 p.m. night, and maybe there afternoon. Yeah, afternoon there in France. The taste of the kisses your lips on my lips, and that's in my heart when the night of love. The taste of the kisses you lips. Nika concert. Yeah. You sing for us. Yes, I sing for us. Spread love. I feel in love because I'm happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy and I'm a lucky. Yay! Yay! It is. I give you other thumbs up. Thank you so much sa pa-Tamsak. Love lots. Tamsak is enough. Guys, it's enough. Really help me to grow. Sabi nila pag nangangati yung ilong, may nagka-crush sa'yo. So, hindi lang crush, may nagmamahal sa akin kasi sobrang biglang nangati. Ay, 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 ay. One day you'll become certified. I wish. Thanks so much sa positivity and the motivation. The maybe having a person in my life like you is as I'm a feel a certified happy person. Mm. Yes, I'm so happy. I wish I will be like you, a certified YouTubers, and I wish one day I will reach the goal. I'm hoping never give up for the goal. Don't give up. Wait, oh my god, how I'm the taste of the kisses your lips on my lips, and it's in my heart when the nights of love. Filipina in Alentejo, Portugal. Oh my God! Thank you so much for joining me here. Much appreciated. Wish, hope I will give you the jacket. I need need more. Wait, a baby crying, maybe be crying. Wait, just wait. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sorry. Sorry. I'm still here. Maybe be crying because he's sleeping. Oh my God. Stay connected to each other. And Nourish by Music is so very legit YouTuber, and hope you connected each other. Thank you so much. Filipina in Alentejo, Portugal. Thanks so much for joining me here, and hope you stay connected, and let's be friends. Let's we grow each other. Thank you so much, guys, and for the thumbs up. Filipina in Alentejo, Portugal. Thanks so much for joining me here, my LS. And hard to try to make LS tonight. Let's share love. Let's share love. Yes, Nourished by Music is so very supportive, so very legit and very supportive. He's so good and nice person, and also the partner, YouTuber, everything. I share a video to my community. Thank you so much, so much. Thank you so much. Thanks. Wait, thank you. Oh my God. Nagkabaliktad na. Thank you so much for the support. Sobrang supportive talaga. The time, the effort, everything. So much. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Yay! Nag-LS ako. Thank you so much for the 2 million viewers. 2 million. Just positive. Salamat ganda. Thank you so much, Pilipinan Alentejo, Portugal. Sobrang salamat talaga sa pagpunta. Much appreciated po, ma'am. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Thanks for joining. Much appreciated and thank you so much sa pagbisita sa aking tahanan. Yun. Spread love, stay in love, stay happy, smile lang kahit puyat, kahit pagod, yun. Kahit daming problema guys, I smile pa din. Ayan, di ba? Ayan. Kahit umiiyak na, eye bags pa more. The days of the kisses you live on my lips. I have no time to share because just a quick decided to make LS because undecided talaga to do it. Oh my God. The days of the kisses your lips on my lips and it my heart in the night of love. I'm so in love with you. I'm so in love with you. Um, hug each other, guys, and let's grow together para sa goal. Yay! Thank you so much, Filipina, Alentejo, Portugal. Portugal. Take kisses your lips on my lips and it's still in my heart in the night. Maybe Philippines are sleeping. Yeah, people here there are sleeping because here in the province they sleep early. They started to sleep 7, 8 p.m. They started sleeping because need to wake up early because need to work early. habit habit to wake up early. But other people here, they become moderate. Ano ba din? Ang hirap mag-English. The moderate, the generation, they sleep late at night. Most young, they sleep at late at night. Maybe they sleep at 10, 11. But old here, they sleep early. because need to wake up early. And it still kisses your lips on my lips, and I shared now. Thank you so much. Nourished by music. Oh my god, love that. So maybe I'm always make a less every day, so I need to what call this? I need to set the time scheduled. I usually scheduled, so I need to have time to share and to promote also my LS. Active. Yes, active. You make LS every day because people can find you. Yeah, I need to make a list every day and hope people, my previous friend before I'm active, hope they find me again. I'm hoping because I'm not active a days ago, a weeks, month because of the connection. I'm hoping to make yes. Need to be active again to reach the goal, our goal. Just not my goal, but our goal. Goal, goal. When I stop, people don't see me. Yeah, when you stop, I notice, I see you stop also. I mean, the phrase, the views because you're not active. Need active every day on YouTube. Whitey World. Me. People don't see me as yes, need to be active every day and to help to grow, to be active. How you make me smile? How I make you smile? Right? Loving you. I know I don't know how to make you smile, but maybe I give you my heart. Does hope I make you smile. Even I'm just a sample. Wait, look my lips. I have lipstick a little. Hope you like my lipstick. My 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 friend, my friend, she gave me lipstick a little pink. I put that's why my lips now is look good, not pale, not looking pale. How I make this tattoos. I remember when we first met. You remember? I sing a song. I sing a song. We're a music lover. I'm a lover. I'm a, I'm a happy lover. A simple lover. Simple but rock. I'm a simple but a rock. Rock can't be broken easily. Charot. Charot. That is, I remember good connection. Good connection, yes. good connection now. We're good connection. I remember your song, you make me smile. Hope you remember my smile when I feel so sad. Did you remember that moment? Yay! I remember when I see your first smile. I remember when I see your first smile. Why I'm so in love with you to this. Of the kisses your lips on my lips, and that's still in my heart. And the nights over. Ano ba yan? May hard to talk with alone, just the cam. I'm I feel I'm crazy. I'm talking alone. I read the comments, but I read the comments, so thank you so much, my love, for being here. Yeah, 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 yeah. Mm. Only so kung hindi ko lang di pa rin magbabago. Thanks so much for the 2 million viewers. Thank you so much. And for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. I love that. For the kisses your lips on my lips. And it's still in my heart in the night. Kahit pangit yung boses, kanta pa din. Umulan lalo. It's raining because I'm singing. Yay. The kisses your lips on my lips. And it's still in my heart in the nights. I'm so in love with you. I'm so in love with you. The taste of the kisses your lips on my lips. And it's over. I'm so in love with you. Thanks so much, guys. Thank you so much for 2 million viewers and for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Hindi you'll be yes. Gusto ko yung positivity. Yes. I remember. Sorry. Visitor here. Ah, my mom is back. Ah, it's okay. It's okay, no problem. It's okay. And thank you so much for the 3 million viewers. Thank you guys. And so much appreciated. And for the thumbs up. Thank you so much for try this LS today. Um, Thank you so much, guys. And no worries, I'm nourished by music. No worries. You really help me a lot. And you always support, help, everything. And no worries. Love lots. Love lots. Say hi to mom. Bonjour. Bonjour. To mama. Hello, mom. To mama. Rainy here. Because I'm singing, maybe that's why raining here. To the lights, mhm, to the lovers of friends. Sometimes we then could understand. Mhm, 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 had it all. Ooh, can't you see? What happens? Life goes on and on, so baby, just smile and make it beautiful. Close to you and me. Silence. Silent. Napaka-silent ng elis ko. Alanganin kasi yung sa ano ko LS kailangan talaga ano, Filipino time. Tulog na yung mga tao ngayon. Kaya ano ba ni-expect ko? Charot. Thank you so much sa pag-stay for the 3 million viewers. Thanks so much for staying my LS tonight and hope you guys, you always visit my home every day because I always do this make LS every day to connected each other para makonect tayo sa isa't isa and support each other para sabay-sabay tayong mag-grow. Maganda yung umaangat ka, may kasama ka. Hindi, malungkot kasi mag-isa, di ba? Malungkot din mag-isa na malungkot ka. Malungkot din mag-isa na masaya ka. Kailangan kapag masaya ka, may kasama ka para may karamay kang ngumiti. Di ba kapag masaya ka, na i-share mo yung happiness, the blessing. Ganun din na kapag malungkot ka, na i-share mo yung sama ng loob para maibsan yung ano, sakit na nararamdaman. Charot! Yung ganung nalalaman si Inday. Wala. Wala akong magagawa. Di kakanta na lang talaga. Tulog na yung mga kapitbahay namin maybe. Kasi maulan. Kapag maulan, masarap matulog, malamig. A little cold here because rain. The kisses your lips on my lips, and it's still in my heart when the night's over. The taste of the kisses you lose. 11 p.m. here now. Midnight night night here. So I have 1 hour maybe, make less. Thank you so much, guys, for staying my LS tonight for the 3 million viewers. Thank you so much. Kahit silent kayo, much appreciated po yung pag-stay. It really helped me a lot. Malaking tulong po ng pag-stay niyo sa akin. So for the 3 million viewers, thank you so much talaga. Masaya ko. 3. I love you. Times for nothing. And now one day, one night, and it is like I love you, babe. Oh, I get this. And day, all of my headaches will become Foreign Rabbit, Korean Rabbit Philippines. Oh my God. Thank you so much sa pagpunta, Korean Rabbit Philippines. Hi! Salamat sa pagpunta, Korean Rabbit. Oh my God. Thank you so much po sa pagpunta, ma'am. Much appreciated po. Thank you so much. Sana maibigyan po kita ng jacket ngayon para connect Nourish by Music. I'll help you connect each other. He's super legit po. Sana ma-hug to hug po kayo para he's super supportive po, ma'am. And thank you so much po sa pagpunta. I really appreciate it po. Thank you so much po. Parang nagdikit na po tayo dati, parang I remember nag-meet tayo sa ibang LS, Korean Rabbit. I remember your channel name. Wish I can give you a jacket for moderator, and maybe soon I will a better make LS, and a little by little I'm hoping I will be improved more because of my partner as a Nourish by Music has so very helped me a lot. Thanks for 6 thumbs up. Thanks so much for the 6 thumbs up. Oh my God. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Oh my God. I don't see comment in chat here. Only me. Oh, why? Why only you? Korean Rabbit Philippine here now. Oh, it works now. Hello at Korean Rabbit. Yes, Korean Rabbit. I remember her channel name. We met in other LS. Wait. Sorry, guys. Oh my god, sorry. God, she's crying, my baby. Wait, just wait. Sorry for sorry for I'm here again. Sorry, oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Our new friend, Raymond Leasa. Raymond Leasa. Hello. Hi, new friend here, Raymond Leasa, and just thank you so much for joining me here. Um, Nadidistract ako sa umiiyak yung baby, sorry guys. Kaya medyo kailangan i-mute siya kasi bawal yun sa, alam ko bawal yun sa LS na may umiiyak na baby. Kasi tulog na, so medyo umiiyak siya pag nagigising konti. Sorry guys, for the distraction. Nadidistract ako sa ano, sa natutulog. Ako yung nadidistract, hindi sila. Hi, Raymond Leasa. Thank you so much the for joining me here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the 6 million thumbs up. six six thumbs up. Thank you so much for the 6 thumbs up. Oh my god. To taste of the kisses and on my lips, and that's still in my heart the nights of the I will end this live now. And thank you so much for joining me here and for stay connected to me and from the 3 million viewers, may 3 million viewers. Thank you so much talaga. Sobra kung sino man kayo, na ma-appreciate ko yung pag-stay niyo sa akin. Nourish by Music, most, sobrang supportive talaga. Thank you so much sa friends, sa family, sa ah, magko-connect pa lang sa akin. Sana connect po kayo. Thank you so much and bye-bye. And see you tomorrow. Every day I will make LS and hope. Thank you so much. We watch you always. Thank you so much, Nourished by Music, for the supportive. You're very supportive and you're so good person. And you deserve to be a successful YouTuber. I love you guys. I love lots. Bye.